Growing up, I was always interested in medicine. Back when I was a young kid, playing the game Operation, as a lot of us have, that kind of piqued my interest in medicine. Throughout high school and college, I volunteered and worked in the hospital and also worked in the operating room. That's where I got introduced into orthopedics. And since then, my mission was to become an orthopedic surgeon. Hi, my name is Cien. I'm a board certified, fellowship trained joint replacement surgeon here at South Bend Orthopedics. I specialize in minimally invasive hip and knee replacements along with complex revision surgery. So here at South Bend Orthopedics, I specialize in primary hip and knee replacements as well as complex revisions. I'm also certified in hip and knee robotic surgery, which makes it more minimally invasive, more precise, and a faster recovery. One of the most important things that patients can know about me is that I'm going to listen to you. You're not just another number in my clinic. You're a patient who has a quality of life that's been affected. I'm here to listen and work with you to gain, your mobility, your function, as well as your quality of life back. Whether that's, returning to sports, chasing your grandchildren around, or enjoying time on a vacation. We're trying to restore your quality of life so that you can enjoy those moments. When I'm not working, I enjoy spending time with my family. I have a beautiful wife, Rachel, 2 kids, Lincoln and Piper. They're both under the age of 3, so lots of diapers, lots of high-level energy in the house. So we spend lots of times going to the zoo, going up to the lake. So just spending a lot of time with family and traveling is a fun part of my life. What I love most about orthopedic surgery is helping the patients. One of the most common complaints we get is, I wish I did this sooner.